Hi there, and welcome to this 3D Motive comprehensive course on building a platform game with GameMaker Studio. I'm Alan Thorne, and throughout this course I'll take you through the complete process of making a 2D platform game. In this part, we'll confront the formidable problem of physics and collision detection. Everybody expects their platform games to behave with real-world physics, and by using the code and techniques I'll show you, you'll easily create that real-world believability. We'll start by creating a character that can run and jump and fall to the ground under the effects of gravity. Then we'll adjust collision detection to ensure the character is blocked by all physical obstacles in the level. And we'll even create a moving elevator platform that carries the player up and down. And then we'll wrap up things by adding collectible power-up objects. These will upgrade our weapons, increasing its firepower and fire rate. So there's a lot to do here, and there's no time like the present. So let's get started.